Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you on how to remove a friend request on Facebook. Sometimes you may receive friend requests from people you don't know or simply want to remove. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website in your browser. Step 2. From the right, under the label Friend Requests, click on See All. This will take you to the Friend Requests page. Step 3. On the new page, scroll down to view all the requests you have received. Take your time to review the requests. Step 4. If you have more pending requests, click on See More to view them all. This will display additional friend requests. Step 5. To remove a friend request, simply click on Delete next to the request. Confirm the removal if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily manage your friend requests on Facebook and maintain a clean and organized friends list. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.